Number 5, during that 2 hours, have someone watching Amazon. Watch the bestseller list in your category and watch it jump up the list. Screenshot when it hits number 1 bestseller, but all the way up from 100, so do as many as you need to do during the 2 hours, because it might not hit number 1. It might just get to number 2, or it might just get to number 6 or whatever, but it's still considered a bestseller, even though it's not number 1. But once it hits it, number 1, do a screenshot, then have them share that screenshot to your pages, to whatever, and then tell more people, and just keep it going for that 2 entire hours. Now, you don't have to tell the people that you're on your live that you're trying to get to bestseller. You don't have to say that. Just say that you see that there's some, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's not about you.
Now let's get your ebook published.